In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front inner door handle on this Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. With the help of a trim tool, undo the sail panel, remove it from the vehicle. If your vehicle has a little tweeter speaker on here, you can unplug it at this point. Down by the door handle, you'll see this little cover. You can use a pick or a pocket screwdriver to open this up. Behind it hides a screw that we have to remove. There we go. Now use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove that screw. This will release the bezel. Remove that. I can't show you while I'm removing it, but inside the grab handle, you'll see that cover. That actually hides another Phillips head screw, so let's remove that as well. On the outside of the door, there's a screw which doesn't look like it because it actually has a little cap. So the pocket screwdriver pry away that cap. That's going to expose that Phillips head screw. Remove that as well. And there are two more like that on the inside part of the door. At the bottom of the door, there are two more Phillips head screws. Those have to be removed as well. Now grab onto the door panel, preferably from the bottom since it's easier. Pry it out. Once you pop all of the clips out, push it upward, and that will unhook it from the door. Don't go too far with it. Things are still attached, but we don't need to disconnect anything because right here is where we need to work. At the bottom of this door handle assembly, you'll see a Phillips head screw. Remove it. That's what locks it in. So at this point, you can push it back and pull it out. Flip it over, unhook the cables that go into it. And there's the door handle. Let's take the new door handle and reconnect the cables. Keep in mind, the top one is for the lock and the bottom one is for the door handle. Another way that you can figure it out is one of them will just lock back and forth. That's the lock indicator. The other one has a spring to it. That's the door handle. So hook these back in. Lock them on. Install it into the door again. And let's secure it with the mounting screw at the bottom. Let's reinstall the door panel. Hook it up and over the window area. Once you're sure that it's down in position, tap it in to lock in all the push clips. Now let's put the two screws at the bottom back in. Snug them up. Now let's put these screws in that have the little caps around them. Snug them up. They're all just going into plastic, so you want to make sure you don't over tighten them, and cap it off so you can't see the screw. Cap these off and make sure you put the correct cap on the correct color. Let's reinstall the bezel around the door handle and secure it with the screw. With that snugged up, cap it off. Plug in your tweeter, if your vehicle had one, and reinstall the sail panel. There we go, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.